Do you struggle to link Instagram to Facebook, Facebook to Instagram, or even connect a second Instagram account on your phone? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy methods to link your accounts like a pro, unlocking awesome features and boosting your reach. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Click on the 3 dashes menu icon at the top right corner and select Settings. Ensure your Facebook and Instagram apps are updated to access the latest features. In Settings, click See More in Account Center and scroll up to Add More Accounts. Select the account you want to add. If linking a second Instagram account, click Add Instagram Account. If linking Facebook to Instagram, click Add Facebook Account. Select your Facebook profile name and click Continue. Then click Yes, Add. Your Facebook will now be linked to Instagram automatically. Method 2. Linking a Facebook page to Instagram. Go to your Instagram profile, click Edit Profile, and scroll up to Page. Select Continue to connect or create a Facebook page. Log into Facebook and select your Facebook page name. Click Connect and give it a few seconds to load. Your Facebook page is now linked to Instagram. Congratulations! If you want a tutorial on creating a professional or business Facebook page, comment below and I'll cover it in a future video. Method 3. Linking Instagram to Facebook via Facebook app. Open your Facebook app and click on the menu icon. For iPhone, it's at the bottom right corner. For Android, it's at the top right corner. Scroll up to Settings and Privacy. Select Settings and click See More in Account Center. Scroll up to Add More Accounts and click on it. Select the Instagram account you want to link and click Continue. Click Yes, add the Instagram account. Your Instagram account is now linked to Facebook. Congratulations! Thanks for watching the Oluchi channel. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more social media tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's grow our online presence together.